Hi, I'm Jill. I'm a functional nutritionist, elite trainer, and proud CanPrev ambassador. And I'm super excited to show you this vegan beauty elixir shake. And I love this shake because it helps stimulate collagen production for my skin and is also nutrient dense. My secret ingredient is CanPrev's Aquatein Vegan Superprotein. And of course lysine, because it helps keep my skin glowing. I use half an avocado for healthy fats, kiwi for vitamin E, 1 scoop of lysine, and last but not least, aquatein, a complete protein, and it's full of phytonutrients. Cheers to increasing energy levels and glowing skin.